Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Locking a folder in Windows 11 with a password enhances security and privacy by preventing unauthorized access to sensitive or confidential files and data. So let's start the video. So this is the folder which we want to encrypt with password. Open it. So this is the content of this folder. To set password on this Windows 11 folder, create a new text file inside this folder by right-clicking on it and then select New and then click on Text Document. Now open this new text document and paste this code here. You can copy this code from the first comment in this video. In this file, look for your-password. This is your-password. Replace this text with the password for your folder. So we are going to replace this with ABCD. This is our new password for this folder. Now click on File and then click on Save As. Make sure that the location is same as text file. Now we need to save this file as a batch file. So enter your file name, let's say locked folder, and then add extension .bat. In Save As type, select all files. Now click on Save. Now close this. Now delete this text file. You can see this is the new batch file. Open it. You can see a new folder named private has been created. Now drag all the content to this private folder except the batch file. Now to lock this folder, double click on batch file. Are you sure to lock this folder? Type Y and hit enter. You will see the folder is now locked and hidden. To access this password protected folder, double click on this batch file again and enter the password. It's ABCD1234 and hit enter. You can now access the content of this locked folder. So that's how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.